guys. I'm going, oh, because see right here, it's a little irritating. Well, it's a little better now. The doctor kind of put some medicine on that for me. And I was like, what was that? That's weird, because I opened the toothpaste like 2 days ago, and that didn't happen before. So I was like, wow. So I'm going to the doctor anyway, find out what's happening. So just to be safe, he gave me some antibiotics. Because I don't want, you know how your mouth inside get raw? It got that funny feeling to it. And sometimes when it heals, it'll peel. Oh. I'll make sure I'm all right. Then I had to call the company, to the toothpaste people, and let them know you got some defective toothpaste or something's wrong. And then I got a new toothbrush too. That's what I told the doctor. I had to go to the lab so have it analyzed, the toothpaste and the toothbrush, because I'm going like, well, hell, I opened both of them 3 days ago, so it did just happen this morning. Anyway, I'm gonna be okay. The doctor knows about it, and I got some medicine, antibiotics, to make sure everything's okay. So I had to stop by the store and get some more toothpaste, toothbrushes. Today is so lovely here. Weather is super lovely. A great day to have a picnic in the park. I'm a little quiet because I had to be at the doctor at 9. Because I have a cup of watery coffee, not too much. I gotta break away from that coffee and stick with water, cranberry juice. So I stopped at the dollar store and got some more of that raspberry cranberry. And they had something was new there today. It was the oatmeal. It was peanut butter, banana oatmeal. And they had another new item. I have it in the car right now. I should have brought out the video. But anyway, it's grits. It's bacon flavored grits, cheese grits, and the other one was regular grits, cheese grits, and bacon flavored grits. They were flavored, individual packs. And then they had the little oatmeals in a cup, 2 for $99. One was the almond. What was it? Almond and what was it? Almond and banana oatmeal, and the other one was blueberry and banana. Individual little cups. All you have to do in the morning is pour some water and put a little silk milk in it. Heat it up in the microwave. And still have a good, healthy breakfast. Actually, and that's what I should have did this morning, was have my oatmeal. So I got me some more of that oatmeal that's good and healthy. Having oatmeal in the morning to start my day. My vitamins. So I can stay healthy as possible. Give my body what it needs. So I can have my oatmeal in the morning, my cranberry juice, and them blueberries are so good for you. I can't wait to taste those grits, especially that bacon flavor. And the instant grits. There's a good healthy sandwich on croissant, turkey, a little American cheese, Black Forest ham, and there's no mayonnaise, no mustard. I'm just gonna leave that off because I got that cheese on it, and I'm not gonna eat all the cheese. I got to watch my intake. The doctor says I'm doing very well on my diet. I do now is do my exercise for that chin because I'm losing weight. And my fat cheeks like a little chipmunk here. And say when you lose weight when you're little, in your middle 30s, late 30s, you kind of gotta tighten it up and do your vowels. A-E-I-O-U. Get that in check. Always been active. Even when I was in my 18, I always was at Jacker Lane doing exercise, walking all the time, swimming. And I had carried that on through my life. Lots of walking, swimming. Stay really active. As I say, I don't know how I got this rheumatoid arthritis and tendonitis. My mother used to always tell me, Tony, put some clothes on. You walking out there. And I used to be saying to myself, now how the boys gonna see my hips and heads? You know what I'm saying? I'm dressing all sexy, you know what I'm saying? My mother would tell me, okay, that cold gonna get in your bones. You're leaving out there with a shower in the bath, going out in that air. You gotta dress warmer. I would grab my coat or sweater and I get outside. You guys know how it is. Get out there and take that thing off. You know, you in your teens, you know, trying to get the attention of the males. And my mother was right. That cold gets into your bones over time. If I tell you young people, you get out them showers and baths, dress warm. I know you're trying to look sexy and show the hips and dips and curves. But listen to your mom, dress warm when you do get out the shower and the bath. Because as you get older, that cold gets in your bones and creeping. That's how you get that arthritis, get stiff. Oh my God. It's all through my body. So I have to keep moving and exercise so I don't get stiff. And that tendonitis is in my upper arm. I'm like, ooh, ooh. So I have to keep seeing swimming and move my arms like this. Feels really good. I love the water. Swim, swim, swim. Okay, you guys, you know I could babble on. You know that. I just come to you with a short mukbang in this beautiful park. I'm enjoying the day. I got good news from the doctor. I am healthy. I'm doing great. All my tests came back. Boom. A1, A1. So you guys, I'm closing out with this because you know I don't do big mukbangs, only do the small ones. I just can't eat like that. I want to stay healthy and strong and eat the right things. So you guys, don't forget to do what? Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Make your comments. And remember, treat people like you wish to be treated. God is love, you guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay? I love you. Take care. Bye, you guys.